You've done yourself proud today, haven't you?
I'm sure that both of you guys have done things by where you've thought, that's perfect. I want to look at things and think, that's perfect as well.
Determined mum of four Denise is pulling out all the stops with an ambitious three-course menu.
Tell me what your three courses are, please.
Griddled prawns with salsa, and my main will be pork with sided lentils and mustard mash, and for my dessert that'll be lime and coconut cheesecake with a rum cream.
Is a number of crowd pleasers going on here, do you think?
I sincerely hope so. I mean, I wanted to kind of give you guys a snapshot of some of the things that I can actually do.
Besides being a mother of four, you have a full-time job. How are you going to cope? How are you going to fit this in if you go through the next round?
I'll fit in whatever you want to fit in. I've had to study while having children and working full-time. There's an awful lot of things that I've had to manage to do in my life, and so long as I've actually got the dedication and the commitment, nothing is unachievable as far as I'm concerned.
Denise has to deliver flavour today. Prawns and salsa, the salsa's got to have a punch.
And we've then got a rum and lime cheesecake. Well, I'll tell you what, I've got a load of boxes lined up here and she's ticking every one. I think I'm going to go out of here a stone heavy.
Denise is gunning for a semi-final place with a starter of griddled king prawns with a lime and avocado salsa.
The flavours in that dish are very good, but it just doesn't have the moistness that it needs to make it a wonderful dish.
I accept that.
It's good. The flavours are good.
Thank you.
But it's too dry. It's too dry.
Can she make up for lost ground with her main of pork, cider lentils, mustard mash and apple sauce?
That has flavour. The pork is delicious, well seasoned. Lentils are earthy and rich, but still sweet with the cider. Beautifully made mashed potato. I do like it.
Sweet apple going into wonderful soft pork. What you have cooked is stunningly good.
Will Denise's lime and coconut cheesecake with rum cream tip the balance in her favour?
I like the flavours. That lovely coconut. The cream cheese in there is very, very sweet. We asked for one thing, and that was flavour. And I think you've delivered it today.
Thank you very much.
Oh. Cleansing lime, going into deeper coconut, going into a hint of rum. That is the taste of the Caribbean in a cheesecake. Those flavour combinations are simply superb. You've done yourself proud today, haven't you?
I'm sure that both of you guys have done things by where you've thought, that's perfect. I want to look at things and think, that's perfect as well.
I've got a huge grin on my face because I reckon you three rock. You're great. But we only have one place.
Our winner is Denise.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Denise has produced some great food. She's a very good cook, and one of the best we've seen for a very long time.
She is more than worthy of a semi-final place.
Can't believe that I'm about to go through to a semi-final on MasterChef.
Yeah. Congratulations.
I can't believe it. I am so delighted, absolutely delighted.